I love how this wig turned out. This wig is so cute. It's giving me so many vibes, and I'm so in love.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video. I'm sorry if I'm looking in mirrors, but I tried to see if I like my hair. It's so versatile the way you can do this, okay? Throw you some edges on, put the wig on, put the headband on, and you out the door, honey. Just make sure your wig is secure so that if the wind blows, that it won't be coming off. Or if somebody try to yank on it, it ain't gonna be coming off. But if somebody yank on it and it come off, baby, your face is beat and you ready to what's up? Today's video is going to be on this versatile wig, y'all. I love how this wig turned out. I just love the wig overall. Like, this is a really cool versatile wig that anybody should get. Anybody should have in their wig collection. It's a wig that you can just throw on, throw a headband on, and be cute, okay? Who got time to be curling and doing all that, okay? This wig definitely is for me because I really don't be having time to curl hair. I'll put my clothes on, come down here, sit down, do the makeup, and that's it, okay? One day I'm gonna learn how to do some hair, but baby, it's not today, it's gonna be this. Y'all wanna see how I put it on and everything that comes in the box, and then keep on watching. Hey guys, I am back, and I am back with a hair video, y'all. So I did do a tutorial and it is up, but I am doing a hair video, y'all. So I got sent a wig, and that's why I was bald headed in the beginning. Today's wig is sponsored by CURLSQUEEN, y'all, and it came in this gold packaging via FedEx. You get the wig with a bunch of stuff in it, and you also get a wig cap with instructions on CURLSQUEEN wig, y'all. Today's wig is a converted cap wig. It is 18 inches and 150% density. It's natural black. I don't know if y'all have ever seen these headband wigs going around, but that's what's it. I reviewed one on my channel before, y'all, and they give you two headbands. They give you this cute little blue and like tropical headband. I'm going towards the cheetah, y'all, because it's giving me my outfit vibes. We're gonna put the cheetah one on, but let's get into this wig. See, this is the wig, y'all. It comes wrapped like this. Get out the package, and it looks like this, y'all. This is a curly textured wig, and as you can see, it doesn't have any frontal attached to it or nothing like that. This is just a cap with hair on it. I'm gonna put this wig on this dome cap so that I can get to basically either layering it and putting some curl texture to it and kind of combing it out to get a fluffier look, y'all. I think I need some T-pins to stick in here. I'm going to comb this out because I want it to be big before I put it on my head. See how it got big instantly? Oh, look how big this hair is. It's big, y'all. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna sit down real quick and I'm gonna put this on. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna apply the headband first around my neck, so that therefore I could just slide it up when I put the wig on. So they give you a cap, but I don't know if I want to use a cap. It's no point because it's no part of anything, so it's no point in using a cap. If you want edges, you can, but if you don't, this is the best way to do it. It does have a drawstring as well. It has two combs, so I want to take this. Okay, so I'm going to put this like right at the very front of where my edges kind of stop. What I do is the string in the back is slid right off. So I'm gonna take my headband. It's on the right way. So you want them edges to show. You know. Trying to feel in the back. So you can do it in so many ways. This is so cute. It's a versatile wig. So if I want to do it this way, I could have did it this way. That's cute. I like that. I'm feeling it. Have it like in the front if you want. You could do that style and then kind of cut it if you wanted to. The middle part. Have it just like this. Well, that's always the habit, but I think I'm gonna go with the sad part. They are doing these half wigs now, y'all. They doing these half wigs now so that you can just get up and go. Versatile wig, go get you one, okay? The link will be in the description bar below, y'all. If y'all haven't already, go check out my video on this makeup look. It will be in the description below, if not on the side of this video or the top. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.